All right, everyone, so we just got another huge inventory of wood from Costa Rica, and this one is loaded with awesome pieces. And if you remember back over a year ago, we did that YouTube video of that 500-year-old Jatoba log that we actually traveled to Costa Rica, milled it up and everything. It's finally here. I'm gonna quick give you a rundown of all the pieces we have. We have some 5/4 Jatoba lumber, great for building all sorts of different stuff, loaded with monkey pod slabs, just crazy amount of monkey pod slabs. And in these cardboard boxes is actually all of our river tables. So we went down there, picked out the colors and the lumber, and they crafted up beautiful river tables that are gonna be at a very affordable price. Just, it's endless. More Jatoba lumber, more monkey pod slabs. Look at these two giant chunks of Purple Heart. These are for coffee tables. So huge pieces. No way can I, oh man, that's heavy. Real heavy wood there. More river tables, monkey pod. But here's, let's see, back here. These are the beautiful Jatoba wood slabs. These are the long slabs, about 10 foot long. Awesome ropey texture to the live edge. Fantastic looking stuff. And man, I'm super excited. The real beautiful ones though are these cookie slabs here. If you remember on that YouTube video, they actually let us run the chainsaw to cut up a few. We got a mountain of cookie slabs, tons of character to it. I'm gonna have to count these rings up to really try to figure out how old this tree is, because this thing is huge. I mean, I don't know, 5'7" or so, a little over 5'7". So these are like over 6 foot tall cookies, and a whole nother pile here with all that. Like this live edge though is where it's at, man. Like it's so in and out, kind of bumpy looking all over. So cool looking. So we're gonna get these all in inventory, give us a couple weeks, and we'll have them available on our website. All right, so I'm gonna show you off the pieces that we have. So we have 4 sizes, I believe. 5 foot desk, 6 foot, 7 foot, and 8 foot. Our main ones are the desk size. This is our Jatoba wood. Most of them are gonna be monkey pod, but we have a handful of Jatoba, and just beautiful wood. This has like a black tint resin to it. Has a durable Italian acrylic urethane over top of it. And they just did a fabulous job with this quality, super nice. So what the kits are gonna, all 4 sizes are gonna come with is a tabletop, a bench, and a 32-inch round, all matching with your choice of steel bases. And I'll show you over here the bench. So this is a Jatoba bench. Now this is a different pigment, because we have different pigments. So this one has like the swirly metallics with a clear resin over top. And again, has the beautiful durable acrylic urethane. And then this piece over here is an example of the monkey pod round. And this, like I said, we have Jatoba and monkey pod. This is kind of like that black smoky tint. And these river tables are gonna, all 4 sizes are gonna come with 3 pieces: the tabletop, a bench, and a 32-inch round with your choice of steel base, and it's gonna be a fantastic value.